Kitchen Remodeling Trends 2026. Kitchen remodeling is evolving rapidly, with 2026 bringing fresh innovations, smart solutions, and stylish aesthetics. Homeowners are now prioritizing functionality, sustainability, and unique designs that make their kitchens not only beautiful, but also highly efficient. If you're planning a remodel, here are the top trends shaping kitchen design in 2026. 1. Smart technology integration. Technology is taking center stage in modern kitchens. Smart appliances with AI-driven features, voice-controlled assistants, and touchless solutions are becoming essential. Refrigerators with real-time inventory tracking, ovens that suggest recipes, and faucets that dispense water at precise temperatures are just a few examples of how technology is revolutionizing the kitchen experience. 2. Multifunctional and flexible layouts. Kitchens are no longer just for cooking. They serve as workspaces, social hubs, and even relaxation areas. Open layouts with adaptable islands that can be extended or retracted, hidden storage compartments, and flexible seating arrangements allow homeowners to maximize space while maintaining a clutter-free aesthetic. 3. Bold and expressive color schemes. Neutral kitchens are making way for bolder, more expressive color choices. Deep greens, warm terracottas, and rich blues are gaining popularity, adding personality and warmth to the space. Two-tone cabinetry, contrasting backsplashes, and statement ceilings are also becoming common, breaking away from the traditional all-white kitchen look. 4. Sustainable and eco-friendly materials. Sustainability is no longer a trend, but a necessity. Homeowners are opting for recycled and reclaimed materials, energy-efficient appliances, and eco-conscious cabinetry. Bamboo, cork, and FSC-certified wood are replacing traditional hardwood, while countertops made from recycled glass and composite materials offer a stylish yet sustainable alternative. 5. Statement lighting fixtures. Lighting is transforming into an artistic element in kitchen design. Oversized pendant lights, sculptural chandeliers, and under-cabinet LED strips enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Customizable smart lighting systems allow homeowners to adjust brightness and color temperatures to suit different moods and occasions. 6. Seamless indoor-outdoor connection. Blurring the line between indoor and outdoor spaces is becoming a major design trend. Large sliding glass doors, foldable windows, and covered outdoor kitchen extensions create a seamless flow between the kitchen and backyard. This design approach is ideal for entertaining, offering a spacious and airy atmosphere. 7. Innovative storage solutions. Maximizing storage while maintaining a sleek design is a priority. Deep drawers with customizable dividers, pull-out pantries, hidden spice racks, and vertical storage systems are making kitchens more organized. Appliance garages that conceal small appliances help keep countertops clean and uncluttered. 8. Mixed materials and textures. Kitchens in 2026 are all about contrast, combining different textures and materials, such as matte and glossy finishes, metal accents with natural wood, or stone with glass, adds depth and interest to the space. Mixing textures creates a dynamic look that feels modern yet inviting. 9. Personalized and unique designs. Customization is key in modern kitchens. Homeowners are moving away from cookie-cutter designs and opting for unique, personalized touches. Handmade tiles, customized cabinetry, and artisanal fixtures allow for one-of-a-kind kitchens that reflect individual style and personality. 10. Health-conscious and wellness-oriented features. Kitchens are being designed with health and wellness in mind. Air purification systems, water filtration stations, and touchless appliances contribute to a cleaner and healthier environment. Dedicated spaces for organic gardening, hydroponic herb walls, and fermentation stations are also becoming popular among health-conscious homeowners. As we approach 2026, kitchen remodeling is all about smart functionality, sustainability, and bold design choices. Whether you're planning a complete renovation or minor upgrades, these trends will help you create a kitchen that is stylish, efficient, and future-ready.